Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm actually going to be breaking down some of the analysis that I sent into the free H3T community, which obviously is a free Discord group where we're trying to build a really nice community where traders can come together, like-minded people, share ideas on trades, and yeah, just talk about trading in general. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the Discord group, show you what it's about, show you a few things that's inside it, then go to the area where I sent in the analysis and how you could have basically taken the same trade. And then I will break down how you could have took down on trade on TradingView. So you're getting the full breakdown from the very start of the analysis getting sent in to then me breaking it down on the chart to then you actually executing it. So it's a win-win situation for all parties. So yeah, let's jump over to Discord now. So you should be able to see Discord. Wait, let me put that up here. Cool. Why is that? Right, there we go, Bosh. All right. So now we're big screen. Now let's go through Discord. As you can see, this is the Discord chat. Everyone's talking in it. And this is when I sent in the full breakdown of Euro USD. As you can see, the chart analysis here. Very, very simple to see. As you can see, we see our clear targets, clear areas of support and resistance, areas of imbalance that we can target, obviously, for some buy side liquidity there. So yeah, that was sent in, full breakdown given, and then Bosch, the aftermath, who took advantage of this move, which was called freely. And as you can see here, Bosch, it was all called freely. And I'm now going to explain how you could have took this entry on TradingView. But then we also got our premium group area. And as you can see here, Euro USD looking for some short-term buying opportunities. And as you can see here, the full breakdown was given here in a lot more depth, which can help you as a trader to actually understand the market a lot more. So yeah, it's a lot better this way. So let's jump on to TradingView now. Cool, we're here. And now I'm going to break it down, starting from the 1 week all the way to the entry time frame. Okay, cool. So as you see on the weekly chart on Euro USD, we came to a strong level in the market here of demand and support. As you can see here, on that 1 weekly chart, we came smashing straight into that. And what we was looking for was some sort of rejection of this level early on. What I done was from the wick to the body, that was the type of zone I wanted to target, where those wicks were. We wanted to see price come into here and then reject off. So then jumped in on the smaller time frame on a daily. As you can see, we came straight back into that area here and then pushed off. If you're more like a long-term sort of swing trader, you could have easily just bought at this level, but that comes at a high risk. It's more like a high risk entry. And we prefer to go on the smaller time frames to then scale in on positions to get a tighter stop loss, which means you're going to get a better risk reward, but still following the overall direction of the trade, of the trend, sorry. So yeah, that was good. And we did know that was going to be a reversal here through because some things happen on the smaller time frame, which we're about to explain now. So jump on a 4-hour time frame. What do we see? So as you can see, what the analysis has sent in, we were actually targeting where, oh, they want to, here we go. They were actually targeting the area here, Bosch. And as you can see, we broke straight through it, but that was the original target. So what we had to do is, as we knew price came into this level here, we needed to see some chart patterns, some sort of evidence that buyers are stepping into the market to then look to take the buys into this area of supply here, which obviously was smashed, and obviously price came back down, could continue bullish all the way up to our 4-hour area of supply here. So the only area we're targeting or looking at right now, if we rewind time, is price coming into this level here. So now we need to see key things in around this level to then trigger the buys. The first thing, obviously, this lovely wick down here, took the lows. Obviously, if people were buying here, stop loss would have been tight down there. As you can see, that wick down took that liquidity to then bounce up. But even if you jump on the smaller time frames, you can actually class this level as potential double bottom. So if I go here, I'm just going to call it equal lows there, where price came and create this double bottom, which obviously know is a chart pattern, which normally indicates a double bottom, like a bullish reversal in the market. So this is something we were targeting. So if I continue playing, next thing we really want to look at now is like a break of structure. So that shows that the buyers are stepping into the market. So as you can see here, we had this high here. And if I bring that across there, it looks like we've got a break of structure high here, which is quite evident. So what price did was price came up and it broke above the structural high in the market. Therefore, that indicates to us that there's like a trend shift in the market. And normally when that move happens, when that push happens, we kind of target the last area of demand. And looking at this right now, the last area of demand would have been this down candle before the move up that actually broke the structure. So straight away, what we can do is we can highlight this area across here. Now, this is potentially going to be our buying area where we look to get into the market. What we would like to see, this is more like a swing total trade of where we're waiting for price to push up, come back down into this area of demand to then obviously follow up and hit our target, our highs here. Why we're targeting up here, another good question before we get into the actual move down and up, is what we want like to see. Obviously, it's this imbalance here. Wash imbalance. So basically what imbalance means is when this move happened to come down into this weekly area here, obviously drag it across all the way here, but we're just leaving it out of the way to make this look cleaner, is that when this move happened to come down into the weekly area, it left imbalance. It's basically too many sellers was in the market at a time, which left imbalance in the market where you see either side of this candle, there was no wicks. So in this 1 hour candle, it was just straight sellers in the market. And as you know, in the market, there needs to be an equilibrium of buyers and sellers at the same time for it, for money to flow, etc. So we know, well, we don't know for a fact, but we know that there's a high probability that price is going to want to come back up here, fill this imbalance to then potentially look to reverse or keep on going. So this like fuels the market as an area to target. So yeah, so that happened. So what we could do here, we can enter on a high risk entry, which would just be buying at the 50%. You put your stop loss just below the area of demand. Let's do like a 10 pip SL. And then obviously what we'll be doing is targeting the area of supply here. Why is there a supply? We had this last up candle with a bit of slowdown in the market to then see a seller step into the market. So that means supply was there to fuel the market to push it down. So now, obviously, where this double bottom is formed, we're now looking to now push up, got this break of structure. This is key. The break of structure is key because this is indicating that the buyers are now stepping into the market to then push the price higher. So if I was just to leave up there and now press play, we should see this tap in and bosh and go. And as you can see, if we were to like obviously monitor this trade, it would have to be looking at stuff now that we'll keep on breaking structure. For example, this has now continued to break structure. So that'd be a BOS high. So we're just going with the flow of the trade now. It just continue flowing, play a bit more up. Then we've got another break of structure. So this is like really good called indication that your trade is heading in the right direction when we're keeping getting this break structure because it's just following the trend. And obviously target the low of the area of supply here. And now when you're looking at the trade like this, you're probably thinking, oh yeah, we're going to hit TP. Yes, start moving our stop loss into profit. So for example, stop loss will be moved underneath here. So just put SL here. So now we're moving our stop losses with the trade. And yeah, this is, yeah, and this space, yeah, and then Bosch should hit TP there, smash through. And yeah, and that's how you could have caught a 1 to 11 using the NADs is sent into the group chat, which was yeah, given freely. So yeah. So what we're going to do now is that if you guys do want to have access to this free Discord group, the link will be in the description below. In that group, we really like talk in depth about these type of trades. You can share your ideas, and just, yeah, we're just trying to build a community. So like I said, the link will be in the description below. So with all our other relative links, we do so much stuff in there. We do Signal group as well, which is what Ant does. I normally send in analysis, and then we've also got funded accounts and algorithms. So like I said, once again, everything will be in the description below. Click on those links, and until next time, see you guys later.